viewers, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we'll try to write a program to find area of a circle. So if you see here, area of a circle is A is equal to pi r square. This is one of the easiest problems. We can solve it directly. So we'll try to write a simple code to compute the area of a circle with the radius r. So here is the radius and this is the diameter. So we'll try to write a simple code uh, to find out this value with the radius of 5. So here we are importing a module called math and pi, and here we are taking input from the user, and we are calculating uh, a value of pi r square. So pi r square we are calculating. So we'll execute this code and key in value of r. So I'm giving it 5. You see here, this is the value of area of circle with the radius of 5. So this is 78.53982. So this is rounded off to 2. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.